HB LaserJet Pro 200 Color MFP series. m276NW. The problem with this machine is the machine is coming up on the screen with a message saying cover open rear or rear door open. This is a fairly common problem with Hewlett-Packard machines of this variety. When we reach a certain age and a certain number of pages of printing, and it's caused by one little, well, it can be caused by a number of things really, but the most common cause is you'll notice that the rear door, despite us shutting it, refuses to shut. You can push it in and it just will not shut properly. So it can be caused by, it's usually on this side where the problem occurs. It can sometimes happen on this side, but 99.99% of the time it's caused by this side. So you can either have this little locking mechanism here breaks, this little arm that comes out here, so this little plastic arm here, it snaps off when you get frustrated with your printer and you slam the door shut. And that's quite common. We see this bit break. But typically what happens is, the only reason you need to open this rear door is because your machine is paper jamming constantly. So you send your printer a one-page job, it works fine 50% of the time. And the other scenario is you send your printer a 3 to 5 page job and it jams up on the third or fourth page, which means you're constantly coming around to the back of the printer, opening the rear door, pulling the jam paper out. And as a result of opening and closing this thing so many hundreds of times, because you haven't bothered to address the issue with the machine paper jamming, it leads to either this mechanism here breaking, or it leads to this mechanism here breaking. So this is the locking mechanism up here. This bit. So it's spring loaded, and when you push the rear door up, this arm comes in to the mechanism in there, and it should spring up and it should lock. So with this printer, this mechanism is broken. And as a result, it gives the cover open message. So we need to get this bit out.